The docking target that is just underneath the docking port of the Poisk module itself should come into alignment with the center of the crosshairs on this engineering view as the Soyuz closes even further toward its final contact and capture. Less than 100 meters now separating Soyuz from the Poisk module. The International Space Station and Soyuz now flying over western Kazakhstan. 80 meters separating Soyuz from the station. So far, so good. A smooth and steady approach by the Soyuz, 65 meters away. Once again, you're looking at a view from the Soyuz external engineering camera. The docking target, that triangular object just underneath the docking port itself at the center of the crosshairs on this view, is the reference point to make sure that the approach of the Soyuz is in good alignment with the onboard computers that are bringing the Soyuz in for its automated docking through the core's automated rendezvous system, with just 44 meters separating Soyuz from Poisk. "30 meters now separating Soyuz from Poisk, continuing to push in for contact and capture in a nominal fashion."
Station Moscow News 1. Station Moscow, SG1. Moscow Station, SG1. Copy, copy you in SG1.
Very slow and methodical approach. Soyuz closing at about 1/10 of a meter per second, 25 meters away.
Moscow Station, SG1, how copy? Copy, loud and clear. Well, there is the procedure for SVP readiness on the axis of the docking port. The range now is about 15 meters. Copy. AR antenna base is confirmed. Copy. Target is in the center of the vehicle. There are slight oscillations. Let me check. But do you have visual of the target? Yes, we have visual. Try to play with the AGA mode by one division or so. Okay, now we have good visual of the target. Copy.
Now our first view of the Soyuz MS-23, the uncrewed Soyuz, less than 15 meters away from docking to the Poisk module.
In the center. Copy.
Moving into an orbital sunrise, flying over southern Russia.
Excellent visual of the target. It's a little bit below and to the left from the center, crosshairs aligned.
The crew verifying the alignment of the Soyuz forward docking probe to the Poisk module.
And aligned with the docking port. Copy. The range is about 9 meters. Copy.
Inside 10 meters now.
Range is 6 meters.
6 meters away, standing by for contact and capture.
Copy. The target is slightly to the right. 3 meters waiting for contact. Copy. The target is 1 cell below, waiting for contact, and we're looking for capture.
Contact.
Contact confirmed.
And capture. Docking confirmed.
Indicator mode.
At 6:58 p.m. Central Time, 7:58 p.m. Eastern Time.
Did you see the message on the laptop
as the International Space Station and Soyuz MS-23 flew 260 miles over northern Mongolia.
Sergey, Dima, Anya, congratulations with successful docking. Thank you so much for excellent work done. All right.
And the docking probe now beginning to retract.
You have more activities ahead of you. Okay, now I'm handing the mic to
It couldn't have gone smoother from launch to docking.
The interface leak check.
The new ride home for Frank Rubio, Sergei Prokopyev, and Dmitry Petelin has arrived at the International Space Station.